Dear ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Virtual Zone. Virtual Zone is the extension designed for Google Chrome. The developers of this extension indicate that by installing it, you'll be able to find what you're looking for in just one click. Well, the trouble with this extension is that very often it is spread through integration with many free programs. In most of the cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. So if it was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, you need to make sure you get rid of it immediately. Access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions. Then, if you find this extension, disable and remove it. To make sure that your system is free of any other possibly concealed threats, I recommend that you scan it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and remove all other infections from your computer. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.